I am getting you out of debt. I am getting you out of debt. You are out of debt.
Hey there, I'm Lisa, your no BS guide to smashing debt and owning your financial future. Whether it's wiping out that mortgage, killing credit card balances, or stacking real wealth, this is your episode. Today's topic is Introduction to the Best Financial Affiliate Program. If you are seeking a fresh start, new career, or looking to replace your current job, this is for you. Let's dive in and make it happen. Okay, so listen. What if I told you Debt Free Made Simple has a program out there that's literally flipping the script on how agents build their business and help people get out of debt at the same time? That's exactly what Debt Free Made Simple is doing with an affiliate partner program. And honestly, it couldn't have come at a better time. The power of this fintech tool, which has created this affiliate marketing program, which is the #1 financial affiliate program in the marketplace today. Here's the thing. UFF's Chief Marketing Officer, Steve Smith, calls this a game changer, and I don't throw that word around lightly. For years, agents have been prospecting the same two ways, hitting up their warm market, friends, family, people they know, and grinding on social media. Both work, sure, but it's like sitting on a two-legged stool. Eventually, something's gonna give. The challenge, a two-legged stool. That missing third leg, that's where most agents are leaving serious money on the table. Without a scalable, structured way to expand their reach, growth hits a ceiling fast. Introducing the third leg, Affiliate Partner Program. Enter the Affiliate Partner Program, the third leg that finally makes everything stable. This isn't just about padding your prospecting list. It's about delivering genuine value to real people dealing with real debt problems. How it works. All right, let me break this down simply because it really is that straightforward.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Overwhelmed by debt? There's a proven way out. Debt-free, made easy, transforms debt into money back in your pocket. Eliminate all debt fast, without refinancing or consolidation. Proven results since 2004, over $2.8 billion eliminated. Thousands have eliminated mortgages, credit cards, auto, student, and personal loans. No refi, no consolidation, just results. Our Debt Crushers AI software eliminates all debt. Fast, simple, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. I have eliminated $275,000 of my own debt. Scan or click on the link below to start putting your money back into your pocket. Eliminating debt since 2004.
1. Become an affiliate partner. Needed in all 50 states, no license required, no experience needed. Seriously, none. You sign up, you'll receive free marketing materials, full support, and a free website. Grab the unique affiliate link, sign up, and you're in. You're now connected to one of the best financial affiliate programs available, which has been in business for over 20 years. We're talking real tools, real support, and real commission potential. People have been earning $1,000 a day through this kind of affiliate marketing. The opportunity is wide open. 2. Refer and earn. Here's where it gets good. You refer someone, a friend, a coworker, anyone, for a completely free financial analysis with a qualified producer. No pressure, no hard sell. And when that referral activates their account, you earn up to $300 just for making an introduction. That's it. 3. Seamless process. Once you refer someone, the qualified producer handles absolutely everything. The analysis, the explanation, all of it. You stay in your lane, connecting with people, while the experts close the loop. Clean, simple, effective. Why this matters. This program is bigger than commissions. It's a genuine movement, helping everyday families tackle debt, build wealth, and find financial breathing room. You're not just earning, you're actually making a difference. Share our award-winning debt elimination program and earn between $500 and $1,500 for every person you assist. Let's transform lives and create a brighter tomorrow together. Conclusion. The Affiliate Partner Program launched 2004, and the window is wide open. Sign up and head to your agent back office, watch the training video, and get moving. This is how we buy America back, one family at a time. If you have any questions or need the sign-up link, feel free to text us at 203-606-3555. It's much easier to reach us by text message and allow us 2 to 12 hours to respond. You can also visit our website, www.debtfreemadesimple.com, for more information. If you're watching our podcast, please like, share, and don't forget to leave a comment about what you'd like us to cover next. I'm Lisa. Subscribe and see you soon. You've got this.
We can eliminate all your debt. Now you know. The rest is up to you. What are you waiting for?